Hi everybody. A very good evening. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdicon Design. Uh, 11 in the night. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdicon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. It's going to be Monday tomorrow. So I'm sharing my thoughts on uh, stuff which should be of concern, and this word which is used everywhere, worry. So should we really worry, or should we really have a lot of concern, a positive concern around stuff, work and otherwise? So let me share this. It's something which I really love, and I think I've read it like 10 times, so I'm sharing it again because it's related to my work as well. So it says, architects architects and builders ignore the details early on. Architects don't care or have too much of concern about which tiles should go into the shower or which brand of dishwasher to install in the kitchen until after the floor plan is finalized. They know it's better to decide these details later. So, similarly, you need to approach your daily life and your ideas the same way. Details make the difference, but getting infatuated with the details early on leads to disagreements, um, delayed meetings, and execution. You get lost in things that don't really matter. You waste your time on decisions that are going to change anyways. So, ignore the details for a while, nail the basics first, and think about the specifics later. So when we are designing something, what do? We try and go into the sketching mode, and we're in the designing mode. Then we're thinking about the details and stuff like that. And you have these pencils that you use, or the equipment that you use for designing. So these days you have artificial intelligence, or maybe you outsource it to some designers, or you have your own team working for you and stuff. So what happens, all these people who are doing the design work and stuff are first encouraged to kind of think about stuff which is of bigger consequence rather than the color shading and stuff like that. The point is that if you're focusing on things that should not be in your focus, you're going to be out of focus. Okay. So let's say you have a Sharpie, and a Sharpie makes it impossible to kind of drill down that deep. You can only draw shapes, lines, and boxes. That's good. The big picture is that we are all thinking about, and the negative worrying about it in the very beginning. Okay. So there's a example they've used here of Walt Disney Studios, which is amongst my favorite buildings, one of my favorite buildings. Many years back, or maybe a few months back, or something, I did done something on the Walt Disney Foundation and the building and stuff, which was smashing. There was a series of buildings which are shown to us also in an embassy here. I'll keep the name confidential, but we were taken through those, and my questions were around bioarchitecture, biodesign, keeping the climate and environment conditions in mind and stuff like that. The answer came to me very clearly that the renovation of that embassy had kept the climate concern in mind and stuff. And now that I'm hinting and talking about the Disney studios, they say that we encourage our animators to forget the details at first. We want them to kind of not look at the details in the early stages, but we want them to look at the larger picture. And besides this, you often can't recognize that details that matter the most come into picture only after you've thought about the structure of the building, and you've thought about the foundation of the building, and a lot of other stuff of the building and stuff. So you don't have to get into the micro details, or you don't have to think about too many things at the very onset, because if you're going to focus on those, you're going to be missing out on the larger picture,